Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to show you how this platform works. Okay, you can see right there that the withdrawal was made on the 6th of June, and right here today is 7th of June, which I'm recording this video. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you everything step by step, how you can register, how you can complete daily tasks, how you can do everything on this platform and start making money for yourself. Okay, so first thing first, if you're seeing my video for the first time on YouTube, make sure you hit on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop videos on this channel you get notified by YouTube, so you can just watch the video and start making money for yourself. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna show you how you can create an account on this website. So after creating an account, all you just have to do is start earning. Okay, so stick around, watch the video, don't skip any part. Okay, so I'll be dropping the link to sign up on this platform in the description of this video. Okay, so make sure you use the link to sign up, so you're gonna get your welcome bonus which is 2,500 naira. So right here you can see I have 14,000 naira right here, and I'm going to show you how I made this. Okay guys, once you use the link in the description of this video, it's going to direct you to a page like this. Okay, and what you want to do right now is to fill up these details and then create an account for yourself. Okay, so right here you're gonna put in your full name, right here you put in your email, make sure it's an active email, and right here you put in a username, right here you set in a password, right here you put in your phone number, and here is the main deal where you need to get a coupon code. Okay, so actually guys, this platform is not a free platform. Okay, but trust me, all you just have to spend to join this platform is 4,500 naira, and immediately you sign up with 4,500 naira, this platform automatically credits your Learnify account with 2,500 naira. So what you spend, if we're gonna make the calculation, is just 2,000 naira. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to withdraw, I'm gonna show you everything. Okay, this platform actually pays on Mondays, Tuesdays and Friday. Okay, so they pay 3 times in a week. Okay, so right here, how to get this code, all you just have to do is click on this option right here showing get code. Okay, you can see this option right here showing get code. Okay, so once you click on it, it's going to direct you to a page where you're going to see the list of vendors on the platform. Okay, so right here you can see there are a lot of vendors right here actually, so you just have to click on any of them, and then once you click on this WhatsApp icon, is going to direct you to any of their WhatsApp link. Okay, sorry, their WhatsApp DM. Okay, so once you get to their WhatsApp DM, just tell them you want to get a code on Learnify. They're going to send you the code. Okay, so once they send you the code, you just come back to your login page. Okay, make sure the this option right here is showing. You can see invited by Francis Star. Okay, make sure it's showing so you won't miss your welcome bonus. Okay, if you are not invited by anybody, trust me, you're not gonna get any welcome bonus, and that won't be a nice thing for you. Okay, so make sure the name is showing. Okay, so after getting the code, you just paste in the code right here, and then you check in this option right here showing I agree. So after that, you click on register, and boom, your account will be created. Okay, now that your account have been created, all you just have to learn right now is how you can make money on the platform. Okay, and to make money on this platform, you can actually make do this by several ways. Okay, so these are the ways you can actually make some money on this platform. Okay, so first thing first, you can make money from the daily post. Okay, you can also make money from this option right here showing quiz. You can make money from this. You answer quiz, you make money from here. If you have a digital product, maybe an ebook, or you have a video course or mentorship program, you can actually upload them here, and you're gonna sell and make money for yourself. Okay, you can also get some courses. You can get some digital courses on this platform, which you can buy with the money you have on your dashboard. Okay, so this spin and win is actually coming soon. It has not been active yet. Okay, so to get the daily tax, this is all you have to do. Okay, so you just come right here, click on this option showing daily post. Okay, but the daily post is not available at the moment because it's already been taken off for today. It comes up every 24 hours. Okay, so make sure you check in every day, and then you share the daily post. Once you share it, you can share to Facebook, you can choose to share to TikTok, you can share to Instagram, or any of the social media platform. Okay, so once you share it, you get 300 naira, and also you share the their daily advert, you still get 300 naira, and you log in every day, you get 200 naira. Okay, so that is approximately 900 naira you get by completing the task daily. Okay, so right here guys, how I made this 14,000 naira, I actually invited just 4 people to join this platform. You can see right here, referral bonus 35, referral bonus 35, referral bonus 35. You can see right here, this is the referral bonus. Okay, I joined this platform just 2 days ago, and right here you can see I was able to make up to 14,000 naira, which if I want to withdraw, I would withdraw. Okay, you can see right here I already have 14,000 naira, and if I want to withdraw this, I'm gonna withdraw. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you more withdrawal proofs from members of this platform, and trust me, you can actually join their Telegram group, where you're gonna see a lot of things happening around there. Okay, I'm gonna show you around, so you're gonna see for yourself. Okay, so guys, once you finish doing this, right here you can actually buy airtime on the platform as well. You can buy airtime choosing this option. Once you click on it, it shows you a page where you're gonna select, maybe you want to buy a Glow, you want to buy MTN or Airtel 9 mobile. You put in your phone number, and then you put in it could be data, you could be airtime. You just select. You can see right here airtime, you can see data. All these functions are actually working. You can see there are a lot of ways you can make money. You can refer to make money, you can do the activities to make money, you can sell your product to make money. So you can see guys, it is very very cool. Okay, so without wasting time, let me quickly show you how you can withdraw on this platform. Okay, to withdraw your earnings on this platform, all you just have to do is to click on this option right here showing open all. So once you click on it, you select this option, which is user profile. Okay, so you just have to scroll down. Okay, so once you scroll down, you just gonna put in your account number right here, you put in your bank name, you put in your account name, and then click on submit. Okay, so once you click on submit, it's gonna show up on your dashboard. Okay guys, right here you can see the name of my bank I've actually displayed, and that is because I just set in my withdrawal details again. So right there you can see for yourself. Okay, so guys, you can actually try this website out. It is very very cool. Let me quickly take you to their Telegram group so you can see what is happening right there. Okay, before then, let me show you how to withdraw on the platform. Okay, to withdraw on this platform, all you just have to do is to click on this option right here showing withdraw. Okay, so once you click on it, it takes you to a page where you're just gonna fill in the details of the amount you want to withdraw, and then you submit request. Okay, today is actually not a withdrawal day. I would have done the live withdrawal, but I'm gonna show you withdrawal proofs you're gonna see for yourself. Okay, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Okay, so right here you're gonna put in the amount you want to withdraw, and once you type in the amount, let me say 10,000. Once you type in the amount, you just click on this option right here showing submit request. Okay, that is if the day is actually their withdrawal day. Their withdrawal days are Mondays, Tuesdays, and Fridays. Okay, so today is Wednesday, and I cannot make a withdrawal. This is their official Telegram platform. Okay, so right here you can see in just few days of launching, they already have over 18,000 members, and right here this is some of their members who have already hit up to 1 million naira as at when the platform was launched. Okay, so right here you can see this is the fourth Learnify user who got 1 million naira. Wow, this is cool. This is another user who got 1 million naira from the platform. It is actually not free. They worked for it, and they were paid for what they worked for. Okay, so right here is another person who went up to 1 million naira on this same platform. Okay, so you can just join this platform so you get more updates about everything. Okay, so guys, there are a lot of testimonies about this platform. Even you go to Facebook, search for Learnify, you're gonna see. You go to YouTube, you're gonna see lots of videos and payment testimonies. Okay, so make sure you try this website out. Okay, and for those of you seeing my videos for the first time on YouTube, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my updates. Okay, so guys, for those of you who have digital products to sell, I'm going to be making another video about this platform on how you can sell your products on the platform. Okay, so make sure you subscribe, follow me through guys, and make sure you use the link in the description to sign up so you won't miss your welcome bonus. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.